Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this part here, we're gonna finish our change password feature that we added to our project here. We're gonna finish this. So let's get to it. So right here on the change password function, or should I say method, we are going to put some code here. First of all, let's go ahead and check to see. Let's go ahead and verify that this password that we have here that's coming from the form actually matches the one that's in the database. And of course, in the database, with this function check password hash, we can do that. So let's access the current user, right? We have this current user. And from here, we can access the password hash that's coming in that we have already saved. And the reason why we have this current user is because we have this module, right? That's making this available to us. Remember that we have this Flask login module, right? So anyway, once we have that, let's compare it with the current password. And this should give me if it matches or not, right? If not, then we'll get some errors here and we can append it. So let's append some errors and say, hey, current password is incorrect. All right. Boom. All right. So what's the next validation that we need here? Let's make it right here in the same line as this if statement. Right here. All right. Let's check the length. And we can say if the new password length is less than 6 characters is fine, then we're going to append some errors, right? Let's actually copy this guy here. That way we can just, boom, do this. And we can say, hey, new passwords need to be at least six characters. Let me see if I can remember how to spell that. Yeah, that's fine. And let's go ahead and copy this guy, paste him in here. I'm gonna do Command Shift Tab actually to go back up again. And then actually I'm gonna have to do this guy here. There we go. Anyway, so here, let's pass a new condition actually that makes a little bit more sense, right? We're gonna say something like, if the new password, it's not confirm password, because we need to compare those fields, then we're gonna append and say something like new password and confirmations do not match, right? So new password and confirmation, well, passwords do not match. That's fine, new password's fine. And confirmation do not match. There we go. That's fine. A little undecisive there, but we got through, right? That's what is important, to make the decision, to act on it. All right, guys? Some of you have great ideas, but you're not acting on it. Just act and then find out if it works or not, right? Fail fast. That's the way I see it. So make sure that your ideas, you execute them and find out really fast if they work. What's the worst thing can happen? You learn something new, right? That it doesn't work or that it works. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna access this hash. We're gonna generate a new hash. And we're gonna, of course, put that in the database, right? We're accessing that currently logged in user's password in the database. And we're gonna generate a new password from it, from that new input that we're getting from the form. Okay, super simple. And then we're gonna come here and we're gonna say, grab the database and commit that change that we just made right here. Boom. Now what we can do is we can flash this and we can say, hey, your password has been changed or updated. And then we pass in a category of success in here. Okay, super simple. We can do even a redirect here, and we can say, hey, redirect this time to the dashboard, right? Dashboard, just like that. Boom. Dashboard. Alrighty. I'm not going to even check any misspelling, any grammar, anything here, really. As a matter of fact, I will. I'm just going to put this colon here. Yeah. All right, so I'm not going to even go and check very thoroughly. I'm just going to find out if it works or not, right? Let's find out. Let's come here, and that breaks. Yeah, it broke. That was that little colon that we were missing there. And let's just do this. And now we refresh, everything is good. So I'm going to put the current password here. I'm already logged in. If I go to my dashboard, I got this session already on it's going to be on for 30 days. So I'm good, right? So let's go back into the change password. And let's just put that password that I got for Jose, because I'm Jose right now on this dashboard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? And then I'm going to change it to say secret 1, 2, and 3. Secret 1, 2, and 3. You can see that it's actually longer, all right? And I'm going to say update password, and you can see it says your password has been updated. Now, if I log out and I log in, let's just say Jose, and I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sign in says invalid email or password, right? So let's do Jose again, and let's do secret 1, 2, and 3. Sign in, and you can see it says, hey, welcome, Jose, to your dashboard. Password has been updated. Really cool stuff, all right? I mean, now the password has been updated, but well, you know, it has been updated in the database, but it doesn't say that here, of course. It says, welcome back, Jose. But we had that flash in the other form. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you like it. We were able to do it. Great job if you follow me, all right? This might not seem like much, but this is really good stuff, really good progress here, right? You learn a couple things that are actually brand new to some of you, right? All righty. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm going to keep putting more things out there. You know, your comments, your likes, if you subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. If you gave me a like, thank you so much. And I'll see you on the next feature or the next course. Take care, guys.